Hey everyone, it's Master Tyson. Welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about something super important, especially as we age, protein and collagen. Before we continue, watch this video till the end. You know I'm all about preventative care and making sure you're feeling your best at every stage of life. And trust me, getting enough protein and collagen is crucial, especially once you hit that 50-year mark. We're going to break down why these nutrients are so essential for maintaining your strength, your mobility, and your overall health as you get older. It's not just about looking good, though that's a bonus. It's about feeling good from the inside out. We'll be diving deep into how protein and collagen can help you maintain muscle mass, keep your bones strong, and even improve your skin's elasticity. We're talking about practical tips and real science here because knowledge is power. So whether you're already crushing your health goals or looking for ways to feel even better, stick around. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about muscle. It's not just for bodybuilders. It's crucial for everyone, especially as we age. Why? Because muscle keeps you strong, helps you maintain your balance, and prevents falls, which can be a major concern as we get older. Now, here's where protein comes in. It's literally the building block of muscle. Think of it like this. You're building a house. You need bricks, right? Protein is like those bricks for your muscles. Without enough protein, your body can't build and repair muscle tissue effectively. As we age, we naturally start to lose muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia. It's like a slow leak in your tires. You might not notice it at first, but it can really slow you down. But the good news is we can fight back. By making sure you're getting enough protein, you're giving your body the tools it needs to maintain that muscle mass and stay strong. This means you'll have more energy. You'll be able to stay active and keep up with your grandkids, and you're less likely to experience those dangerous falls. So make sure you're getting enough protein. We'll talk more about how much you need and the best sources a little later on. Think about all the wear and tear our bodies go through every single day. It's like running a marathon every day. We're constantly repairing and rebuilding tissues. And guess what plays a key role in that? You got it, protein. Protein is crucial for repairing everything from minor cuts and scrapes to more serious injuries like fractures. It's like having a construction crew on call 24/7, ready to patch up any damage and keep your body running smoothly. And here's the thing. As we age, this repair process becomes even more important. Our bodies don't bounce back as quickly as they used to, so we need to make sure we're providing them with the resources they need to recover effectively. That's where protein comes in. By getting enough protein in your diet, you're essentially giving your body's repair crew the tools and materials they need to do their job efficiently. This means faster healing, reduced risk of complications, and a quicker return to doing the things you love. We all know calcium is crucial for bone health, right? But did you know that getting enough protein is just as important, especially as we age? It's like building a house. You need strong bricks and solid mortar to hold it all together. Think of protein as the mortar. It helps your body use calcium effectively to build and maintain bone density. This is super important as we get older because our bones naturally become less dense, making us more susceptible to fractures. Studies have actually shown that people over 50 who consume more protein tend to have higher bone mineral density. This means their bones are stronger and more resistant to those fragility fractures we want to avoid. So remember, while calcium is like the building block for your bones, protein is the key that unlocks its full potential, ensuring your skeletal system stays strong and resilient for years to come. Nobody likes getting sick, right? As we age, Our immune systems naturally weaken a bit, making us more vulnerable to infections. The good news is that protein plays a vital role in keeping those defenses strong. You see, our bodies need protein to produce antibodies, which are like little warriors that identify and fight off harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. Without enough protein, our antibody production can take a hit, leaving us more susceptible to getting sick. Think of it like this. Protein provides the building blocks for those little antibody soldiers. A strong immune system is like having a well-trained army ready to defend your body. So, make sure you're getting enough protein to keep your immune system in tip-top shape. It's like giving your body the best fighting chance to stay healthy and resilient, especially as you get older. We talk a lot about getting the right nutrients, but have you ever wondered how those nutrients actually get to where they need to go in your body? Well, it turns out that protein plays a crucial role in this transportation system. Think of protein like the delivery trucks of your body. They pick up essential nutrients from your digestive system and transport them through your bloodstream to your muscles, organs, and every cell that needs them. This transportation process is essential for everything from energy production and muscle growth to hormone regulation and overall cellular function. Without enough protein, these vital processes can become less efficient, impacting your health and well-being. So, remember, protein isn't just about building muscle or strong bones. It's also the key to ensuring your body can effectively deliver and utilize all the other amazing nutrients you're consuming. It's like having a well-oiled delivery system, ensuring your body gets what it needs, where it needs it. We all want that youthful glow, right? Well, collagen plays a huge role in that. See, collagen is like the scaffolding of your skin. It provides structure, firmness, and that plumpness we associate with younger looking skin. As we age, our body naturally produces less collagen. It's like that scaffolding starts to weaken, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. Think of it like this. Imagine a brand new trampoline versus one that's been left out in the sun for years. The new one is taut, bouncy, and smooth. That's your skin with plenty of collagen. The old one, well, it's lost its elasticity, got some sag, and maybe even a few tears. That's what happens to our skin as collagen production slows down. But don't worry, it's not all downhill from here. By ensuring we get enough collagen, either through our diet or supplementation, we can support our skin's natural elasticity. It's like giving that trampoline a little extra support, helping it stay strong and resilient. So, while we haven't quite found the fountain of youth, keeping our collagen levels up is a great way to maintain that youthful glow and keep our skin looking its best. Let's talk about joints. They're pretty important, right? Allowing us to move freely, whether we're going for a run, playing with our grandkids, or just getting up from a chair. Now, the smooth movement of our joints depends on cartilage, a rubbery tissue that cushions the bones and prevents them from grinding against each other. And guess what's a major component of cartilage? You got it, collagen. It provides strength and structure to the cartilage, ensuring our joints can handle all the consistent pressure we put them through. But just like with our skin, collagen production naturally declines as we age. This can lead to cartilage wearing down, resulting in stiff, achy joints and conditions like osteoarthritis. Think of it like the shock absorbers in your car. Over time, they wear out, and you start to feel every bump in the road. That's what happens to our joints when we lose collagen. The good news is we can support our joint health by ensuring we're getting enough collagen, whether it's through bone broth, collagen supplements, or collagen-rich foods, we can give our joints the building blocks they need to stay healthy and keep us moving with ease. Remember, staying active is key to a healthy lifestyle, and that starts with healthy joints. We all know how important strong bones are, right? They support our bodies, protect our organs, and allow us to move freely. But did you know that collagen plays a crucial role in bone health? It's true. Think of your bones like reinforced concrete. The concrete itself provides strength, but the steel rods inside, that's like the collagen. It provides additional strength, flexibility, and resilience. Collagen makes up a significant part of your bone structure, helping to maintain bone density and prevent fractures. But as we age, you guessed it, collagen production decreases. This can lead to weaker bones, making us more susceptible to osteoporosis and fractures, especially as we get older. It's like that reinforced brick losing its steel rods. It's still strong, but not as resilient and more prone to cracking under pressure. That's why it's vital to prioritize collagen intake as we age. By ensuring we have enough of this essential protein, we provide our bodies with the building blocks they need to maintain strong, healthy bones. Whether it's through a balanced diet, rich in collagen-boosting foods, or with the help of collagen supplements, we can support our bone health and keep our skeletal system strong for years to come. All right, guys, let's talk about something we all care about as we age, looking and feeling our best. And guess what plays a key role in that? You got it, collagen. We usually associate collagen with youthful skin, but did you know it also strengthens your hair and nails? That's right. Collagen is like the ultimate beauty multitasker. It provides structure to hair follicles, promoting growth and preventing those strands from thinning out. And don't even get me started on those nails. Weak, easily chipped nails? No thanks. Collagen helps strengthen the protein structure of your very own nails, making them less prone to breakage and keeping them looking their best. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your hair and nail health, boosting your collagen intake is a great place to start. Remember, healthy habits lead to a healthier you, inside and out. We've talked a lot about the benefits of protein, but let's dive deeper into the muscle-saving power of collagen, especially as we get older. One of the unfortunate realities of aging is that we naturally lose muscle mass. It's called sarcopenia, and it can make everyday activities more challenging. But here's the good news. Studies have shown that collagen can help combat this age-related muscle loss. Think of collagen as the reinforcement your muscles need to stay strong and resilient. It works in conjunction with your protein intake to support muscle growth and maintenance, keeping you active and feeling your best. Remember, staying active is crucial for overall health, and maintaining muscle mass plays a huge role in that. So keep moving, fuel your body with the right nutrients, and don't let age slow you down. So there you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today about why protein and collagen are absolute rock stars when it comes to staying healthy and strong over 50, from building and maintaining muscle to supporting your skin, bones, and even hair and nails. These nutrients are essential for aging gracefully. Remember, it's never too late to prioritize your health. Make sure you're getting enough protein and consider adding a collagen supplement to your routine. As always, consult with your doctor or registered dietitian to find the best plan for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and advice. Stay healthy and stay strong. If you enjoyed hanging out with me, click one of the videos on your screen and follow me there.